activate the battery ignition using the provided keys. Press and hold the power button to activate the display. The essential information is presented on the display. To access additional essential information such as the trip meter, battery voltage, and time, simply press the power button once more. Use the plus and minus buttons to toggle between pedal assist modes. Press and hold the power button for an extended duration to power off the display. Please note that this action only turns off the display and does not disconnect the battery.